Hey everyone, be sure to watch this video because it's blocked everywhere. However, I found an interesting feature that appeared relatively recently and you probably have it too. So double check. It's called Firebase App Xing. Save user actions and errors, collect and display recent actions, and collect all errors, and so on. Basically, all the standard apps on your phone are located here. And let's say these are some of the most important apps that collect the most information. And of course, this interaction with various servers is something the average user absolutely doesn't need. This checkbox will be active, or it's all very basic here. Access to maps. If your GPS is disabled, information about all your trails, all your paths, where you've been, what places you visit. Basically, this feature is collected, it has bugs that is collected. Besides draining your battery, it can also negatively impact you, specifically Google Play services. Well, that's a really extensive setting. This includes Google Play Market and other Google-related services, and there are a lot of them. Messages. This applies not only to regular messages, but also to your Messenger's message. That is, it could be Viber, WhatsApp, Skype, Telegram, or anything else. In other words, your entire correspondence is being read. Digital well-being is a really harmful setting that collects basic actions. How many times you tapped on your phone, how many times you unlocked the screen, how many times you launch an app. In short, a bunch of all sorts of nuances that heavily load and drain your battery. Google Chrome, of course, is the information you search for in browsers. Gmail is your email, and what you view is YouTube and Google TV. This slider should definitely disable. Double check. It could be enabled due to recent updates or simply because this feature was added. It will go. It can also be enabled because your perma system reset. So let's disable this checkbox and see how to get there. Go to our standard settings. Then here, look for an item called Google. It's on every phone. If you use the Google Play Store, it's there. If you can't find it, try searching through the standard settings search. Here it is. Go here. Here we have a recommended tab and an all services tab. If you don't have an all services tab, you'll immediately get to this menu with these settings. This setting is right here at the very bottom, but maybe on your phone save it's a different model. Look for five checks in these general setting Musa. I've already disabled it in front of you. Check it out. Support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel.